How to do the Superman hold exercise properly. Starting position. 1. Lie face down on a mat, prone position. 2. Extend your arms straight overhead with palms facing down. 3. Keep your legs straight and close together, toes pointing away. Execution. 4. Engage your muscles. Tighten your glutes, lower back, hamstrings, and core. 5. Lift and hold. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground at the same time. Keep your neck neutral. Look at the floor just in front of you. Your body should form a gentle curve, like Superman flying. 6. Hold the position. Stay in this position for 20 to 60 seconds, depending on your ability. Breathe steadily and keep muscles tight. Use slower slowly. After holding, slowly return to the starting position with control. Sets and reps. Beginner, 2 to 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Intermediate or advanced, 3 to 4 sets. Please check my next video.